Okay, here's the latest in the saga that is Chuck's restoration of a '59 Cadillac limousine. First of all, I have to redo the fuel lines here because the monster engine requires larger fuel lines. So I'm using these large stainless steel 1/2-inch tubing fuel lines, and I'm going to connect them in between these sections here with flexible steel, braided steel tubing. So this I still need to figure out, but the main thing is I need to get everything figured out that I have to get figured out before the body comes back on. So here are the, again, we have the supply and the return line for the fuel, and they run along here. Now the stock ones actually run along the rocker panel here, which I've never heard of anybody having any problems with them, but they seem fairly exposed. So I decided, since mine are much larger, to kind of tuck them up underneath here. And what I've done here is I've used grommets where they go through the body here and here, and then a bulkhead fitting here. I still have to connect this fitting here, and then this is where I've switched it over to flexible steel tubing. The flexible steel tubing, I cut this section out. I'm going to reinforce it. The flexible steel tubing goes inside of this piece of the body here, comes out here, and then we'll connect up again with some more tubing somewhere. This part still is kind of being figured out. So that's the latest in the saga that is Chuck's 1959 Cadillac.